Hey there, tech enthusiast. This is Saf here from CoolSaf TV. Welcome back to my channel. But before I jump into details, after the video, if you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you like my video, please do make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. It's free to subscribe for you, but it means a lot to me. So without further ado, let's get started. Purely going through the unboxing of the brand new Pixel 8 Pro and the brand new Pixel Watch 2. To start with, let's start with the unboxing of the Pixel 8 Pro. So what you get in the box. To be honest with you, recently from past quite few years, the unboxing of these things are not that interesting as it used to be, because previously they used to give the chargers, the cases and all these things, but recently it's just been a very boring process. But hey ho, I love the Android phones and Pixel always has got a soft corner in my heart. Let's do the unboxing. So what do we get with the brand new Pixel 8 Pro? So you get the phone boxes, you get the USB type to USB type C charger. And it's not a braided one, it's just a normal one. And you get the connector which connects you from the USB type C to the normal USB, so you can transfer data. And apart from that, you get the SIM ejector tool and you get the manual, which I'm pretty sure none of us read it. So let's leave this aside and then let's start with the design of the Pixel 8 Pro. As you can see, it's got a nice heft of that. It's not that heavy. It's about 213 grams. At the back is protected by the Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and that goes to the front as well. And this time around, they actually have got a slightly a bit flatter display. I won't say it's a huge kind of flat display. It still has got a bit of curve, but when compared to last year, it's a bit more flatter. So as far as the screen is concerned, it's got a 6.7 inches of screen, which is, again, it's an LTPO OLED display, 120 Hertz display. It's got a nano SIM over here, which obviously you can put a single SIM, and the second SIM will be an eSIM. And it's got the IP68 dust and water resistant, which is up to 1.5 meters for about 30 minutes. As far as design is concerned, they have done actually a very good job. It's got a nice shiny aluminum frame going around, wrapping around the body. It's got the USB type C, and it's got two speakers over here. The main part which everybody is excited about the Pixel 8 Pro is obviously the cameras. So it's got three cameras, which is a 50 megapixel of main camera, 48 megapixel of telephoto, and a 48 megapixel of ultra wide camera. And it's also got my favorite, which is a 5x optical zoom, which I really like, which they have actually kept from the last year's Pixel 7 Pro. The back feels quite nice. It's got the frosted glass finish, but it's quite soft to the touch. And also the best part is it's not a fingerprint magnet. The previous iteration of, which is the Pixel 7 Pro, had a shiny display. So when you have the shiny display, obviously you know it's a fingerprint magnet. But this one, it's nice, smooth, does not attract any fingerprints. As you can see, this one is a thermometer, which obviously it's for the future updates, which I was a bit disappointed. Just to give you a quick look again, that's how it looks. So here you go. So you can actually see it's got a nice frame. It doesn't have any kind of rough edges. It's all smooth. And I've just noticed something is, when compared to the previous Pixel 7 Pro and the Pixel 8 Pro, the Pixel 7 Pro was more boxier design. This one has got a more rounded corners. If you can actually see from here, it's more rounded corners. The previous year it used to be quite boxy. The previous one had a cutout in the middle, but now it's kind of flush, so you can actually see three cameras don't have any kind of disturbance. They're like free flowing. So that's a big difference. And just to compare, so this is the Pixel 7 Pro's case. So let's see if this actually fits in the Pixel 8 Pro. So you can actually see it doesn't sit properly. You can actually see it's exposed. And also the back is kind of covering, but you can actually see it doesn't sit properly. So if you have a Pixel 7 Pro case lying around as a makeshift, yeah, you can still use it, but not 100%. You can actually see it's still okay, I would say. It's still manageable, but no, you definitely need a Pixel 8 Pro case. So that's about the Pixel 8 Pro. Now let's shift our focus towards unboxing of the Pixel Watch 2. I'm pretty sure a lot of people will be like, oh no, it's just an old one. Hear me out. So let's open it up. And what do we have over here then? So as far as the watch. So, well, it hasn't changed. It's just exactly like what you got last year. There has not been any change in that. And this one, if I'm not wrong, that's a different size strap. I would say is exactly the same as what you got last year as well. There hasn't been much of change as far as the last year's design. Let's this up and see what we got over here. It's a nice watch. It's actually not a big screen. It's only about 39mm. When you compare to the one which I am wearing, which is a 49mm, you can actually see it's so tiny next to that. I wish Google could give a different size instead of just one size fits all. Well, some people like smaller watches, which I'm fine with that. But some people like me prefer bigger watches. So why doesn't Google give us an option of 39 or a 42 or a 44mm? As a consumer, you can choose what size you want. I just hate the concept of one size fits all, which is the reason why I'm not too sure about this watch. But some of my friends, I have asked their opinion and they absolutely love the first iteration of the Pixel 1 watch. I'm pretty sure they also will like the Pixel 2 watch. That's about the unboxing. Obviously, tune in later to see in a week's time how this phone has evolved, how my usage has been, both with the phone and also with the watch.
If you like my video, please do like, comment and subscribe. It means a lot to me. And until next time, take care and stay safe. Thank you.